That engine looks like it'll be a tough pull.
Check the main hydraulic lines. They're completely seized.
The measurements are consistent with the schematic.
Record that and cross-reference with the damage photos.
This is a solid start.
Turkmans, the engine bay needs reinforcement here and here. We've accounted for the suspension stress points on the diagram. Good. Lay the final recovery sequence over. Winch is engaging.
Can you sew the jump? Front bracket secured.
Tension verified. Ready to pull. Keep tension on that one. I'll check the hydraulic lines. Secure the cab window first. Copy that. Ready to lift. Cable tension at maximum. Hold steady.
Copy. Holding tension. All right. Slowly engaging power.
We have movement, just a few centimeters.
Good. Steady roll now.
Keep it steady. Good.
Good.
2 feet, 2 feet. Check the tension on the right. Stop winching. Position secured.
Keep your distance. Got a tight bend coming up.
All right, bring it right in. Watch your clearance. She's here. Perfect. Kill the engine.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Looking good. Lower it slowly. Chocks in place. Secure.
I think we need a closer shot of the valve assembly. Got it. Adjusting the light. Check this wear against the reference photos.
Tag the hydraulic line here. Verified. Scanning now. Check the engine block next. On it.
The suspension geometry here shows a deviation of 2 millimeters, confirming that reading now. Excellent, that matches our updated plans. Ready for disassembly.
Okay, team, phase 1 is door removal. Copy. Let's begin.
Careful, just a little to the left. Got it. Don't want to twist it. All right, ready to lower now. Slow and steady, easy. Setting it down. Perfect. Good job, crew. Check the spec sheet.
Keep it steady. Watch the right side. Clear on the right. Slow it down. Let's get a good look at this wiring.
Okay, that's the last connection. Bolts loose. Check the diagram one more time. Verified. Ready to lift. Slowly, easy does it. Watch the insulation back there. All clear.
All clear.
Perfect. Onto the bench. All right, first section clear. Logging the part numbers now. Watch that temperature sensor harness. It's brittle. Got it. Tagging the connector.
Keep it steady. Looks like it's empty. All right, loosening the straps now. Nice and slow, just like that. Almost there, looks good. Clear the hoses. Keep it steady. Lower it gently now, almost there.
All right, final bolts coming out now. Easy, easy, watch your head. Slow descent, let's guide it down. Looks clear, let's set it on the stand. Okay, she's loose. All right, lift stands in. Watch the weight, bring it over.
All right, pins free. Lowering now. Clear the table. Watch the weight. All right, everything's disconnected. Take the strain. Slow and steady. Move it out. Copy that. Moving. Keep it steady. Check the levels. Mark is clear. Watch the axle. Good work.
Checks against the digital schematic.
Confirm.
Confirmed. Next part. 41. Start deep cleaning. On it. Let's do this.
Keep it steady on the right side. Copy. Bringing it around. Checking the axle mounts.
The inspection data indicates we need to focus on this section here. Understood. Let's start measuring. I have the steel sections ready.
I'm seeing fatigue cracks along this weld. Copy that. Marking the map now. And here too. This section needs reinforcement.
Okay, that should do it. Copy that. Ready to lift. Clear the area. Hoisting now.
The dimensions match the engineering drawing perfectly.
Good, that's another section ready.
Let's get these parts over to the Euclid. Looks good. Perfect factory finish. Ready for floor pan.
Perfect fit. Let's get these tacks in. Verified. Seamless.
The roof geometry is critical.
Looks solid now. Let's double check the final measurements.
All clear, factory rigidity restored.
Keep it steady. Good. Just a fraction tighter? Perfect. Try the swing now. Smooth as silk. All right, let's get that torque wrench on there. Steady, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the manifold.
The measurements are spot on for the front journal. Confirmed, we're ready for the magnetic test now. And that looks clean too, approved for machining. Setting the pressure just right. Check this valve seat angle, perfect.
Right.
Verified valve movement. Rocker assembly's torqued, she's ready.
All right, alignment looks good. Lower it down slowly. Checking the manual. Torque spec is 180 foot-pounds. Smooth as butter, ready for the engine.
The gear mesh looks perfect now. Check the backlash one last time. Verified, smooth as silk.
Excellent. It's reading 0 error. The new seals are holding perfectly.
Line it up, exactly. Okay, lowering the press now. Grab the pin, I've got the grease ready.
The alignment's perfect. Ready to reinstall.
Ready to install.
Nice work.
Digital displays confirm factory spray patterns and flow rates. The complete fuel system passes all calibration and pressure tests.
Continuity is good on this section. Check against the diagram again. Verified. Moving to the next harness.
All right, let's test these circuits. Looking good, consistent voltage. Main headlamps are perfect. Verified alignment on the markers.
All right, oil pressure is looking good. Check the RPM sensor, please. Verified. Moving to speedometer.
Looks like the gap is good. Yeah, dead on. Let's test the latch. Ensure it slides evenly. Good. Check the upper corner.
Verified.
Verified. Perfect.
Torque spec verified. Alignment is spot on. Ready for paint prep.
Keep the air steady.
Need more paper on this hydraulic.
Looks good, ready for sanding. Keep it slow, a little to the left. Perfect. All mounts aligned. Final torque.
The rear assemblies are ready to go. Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Looks perfect. Ride height is within specifications.
All right, team, looks like everything is in order. It's ready for the start.
All right, here we go. Got it. She's alive. She lives again.
Yeah.
Another one saved. The hydraulic pressure looks stable. Checking brake response, perfect stop right there.
Yeah.
Engine performance steady. Let's bring it back to the bay. Look at that beauty go. Flawless, just flawless. Months of work paid off.